Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and service. Check that your laptop has a built-in SIM tray or that you have a USB modem. Carriers differ, so confirm compatibility. Once you have an unlocked SIM and an active data plan, note the APN, username, and password if provided. Make sure your battery is above 50% and install pending OS updates so drivers work correctly. Now insert the SIM or plug in the modem and proceed to the next setup step. Don't skip checking carrier settings. Once done inserting the SIM, open your laptop's network settings and choose mobile broadband or the USB modem interface. This is where you make the link. Create a new APN profile if none exists and type the provider's APN, username, and password exactly. Small typos break the link. Make sure the connection type is set to LTE/4G when available, then enable mobile data and set the profile to connect automatically. If drivers prompt for permissions, allow them so the modem and OS communicate. You finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser and load a few sites to confirm speed and stability. If pages fail to load, make sure to toggle airplane mode off and on, reinsert the SIM, or reboot the laptop. These quick actions often resolve registration issues. If problems persist, verify the APN settings, check signal strength bars, ensure the SIM isn't carrier locked, and confirm your data balance with the provider. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the SIM into a phone to confirm the plan and signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.